Doing an on-site repair today. Scag Turf Tiger. Not starting all the time, and even when it does start, it runs rough. First thing, we hit intermittent power at the key switch on its transition from the position on to start. It's killing power to the circuit, so new switch rectified that situation. Once we get this started with using the hand choke, because the linkage is frozen, it'll start, but it runs rough. So simple things first. Checked out the spark plugs. The electrode is just absolutely eating away, and that gap looks rough. So I threw the new plugs in, hand choked it, and it still started. Ran a little better, but not smooth. Like it runs better partially choked. Here's what I found. You see this guy right here? See how it's kind of sticking out and there's a gap? That is what we call a Welch plug. They use Welch plugs in a lot of carburetors to cover ports after they're done working inside of them. This one's gapped. So what that means is the engine is pulling an unregulated amount of air into the intake side. Since we're requiring a half choke to get this thing to run, that right there is actually not allowing the engine to draw enough vacuum across the ventures to pull the proper fuel ratio into the engine and make this run. So one of two things are going to happen here. I'm going to clean this up, see if I can pop that back in and reseal it. Honestly, the way that popped out, that could have been just heat and then a good backfire. A good backfire could have popped that out of there. That's where we're at right now. I'm going to try to see what I can do from outside of here. If not, it's probably going to be a carburetor rebuild. I'm going to try to get this Welch plug. I'm going to take it out, clean this area, and see if it can be fixed in there. So if not, I have to order a new Welch plug, and then you can seal those with fingernail polish. So that's kind of what I'm going to try to go for. That dude came right out of there, and it looks like that's pretty much full of dirt. Looks like I'm gonna have to take off this carburetor and clean this thing just to make sure no debris got in there. And well, I don't know why I'm saying to make sure no debris got in there. I know there's debris in there. It's gonna need to be cleaned. So that Welch plug was right there. See the daylight through it? So that's sucking in unregulated air all the way through there. So I'm gonna clean that and fix that, and that's where we're gonna start. Got it all clean now. I can put that new plug back in there. Alright, I've got that section cleaned out, tapped it in there. It actually tapped in pretty tight. But what I'm going to do is put some sealant around here. I usually use fingernail polish. Today I've just got gray RTV, which is really good stuff too. So I'm just going to seal this off with this, put it back on, see how she runs.